In our analysis, I would like to emphasize that we have been informed, our work has been anchored on a deep sense of professional commitment. 50% of observed polling units noted that INEC officials arrived before 8:30 a.m. 93% of observed polling units noted that INEC officials were on site by 9:30 a.m. 10.8% of observed polling units noted violence and fighting. 25.3% of observed polling units noted vote buying at their polling units. 11.5% of observers noted that beavers malfunctioned. 4.7% of observers noted intimidation at their polling units. On average, voting started at 8:52 a.m. 8% of observers noted there were no security personnel at their polling units. 75% of observers noted that their polling units was not accessible for persons. 7% of observers noted that their polling unit was not accessible for persons with disabilities, despite having voters with such needs. So I think this highlights that we would like to emphasize as people make their own judgment as to how well the election was conducted or how free and fair it is. But these are just bare facts.